my name is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. This is our third video in the BeeBeeCraft series from the first shipment that I got from them. And if you remember, we originally got the border punch, the metal stencil, which I absolutely love, 2 sets of stamps, right? And then we used these 4 items together in video 2. We did the unboxing in video 1. In video 2, we made this simple card just to show, you know, using the stamps and the border punch. And then we left this open so we could put another card in the front. Okay, so that's what we've already done. We moved this stuff out of the way. And we also got this vinyl for book covers. It's very pretty. It's just an off-white. And we're not going to be able to make a book cover with this because I don't have a project going right now that needs a cover. Well, I do, and I'm going to use this, but I don't know how big the spine is going to be yet because I'm not done making the book. So maybe I'll make a separate video on that, or you can watch the video series that I'm going to use that in, I think, called Spring Fairies, and that will be out, I believe, right after this. So today we're going to do the bookmark. Now, I was going to do one ahead of time, but then I kind of needed to get this video done, so we're going to try it out with me never having done this before. So, it's kind of hard to see on the glass surface, I think, with the silver, but let me see if I can get a cream-colored piece of paper here. Maybe that'll make it easier for us to see what we're doing. How about that? Yeah, that's better. Okay, so now what I've done is I've taken this little piece of chain off of a necklace. I was going to wait until I have some chain on order. It hasn't gotten here in time. So we're going to try to use this. Now this is longer than what you would normally use, but I had a heck of a time cutting this off the necklace because, as you guys know, I have problems with my hands just trying to cut them off. See, I made a mark right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get out some jump rings in silver. I'm not sure what size we're going to need. Probably this size. Yeah, that's going to be too big. You know, this one may be too big to go through this little hole. This may be a video I have to start over at a future date. And then I'm going to get some charms out. I don't have any beads, but you can certainly use beads. Well, I mean, I have some beads, but I don't have any of the circle head pins, the longer ones where you bend the end, you know, up around the bead. And then you've got a circle like this chain link at the top that you can attach to a chain. So, I'm sorry, I don't have any of those. I've got this nifty jewelry making set, and it doesn't have, it only has 1 pair of needle nose pliers, and I think we're going to use 2. I got this on Amazon actually for like $8. And it's great for doing, you know, making the rounded wires and things like that. But I'm going to get out my handy dandy needle nose. I'm going to get out a jump ring. And the whole point is to hang the chain with the jump ring off of the bookmark, right? This is the part that goes inside your book. This will hang out the outside. And we're just going to make a little, I'm not going to put on all the charms, but we'll put on a couple. Oh, come on. Because I have a feeling it's going to take me a minute to get each one on. Let's pick out a couple of small charms. Oh, look, there's a yin-yang on there. It's way at the bottom, though. I get a little frustrated with the zip bags. the Ziploc bags. Oh, look at this pair of scissors. Those are cool. Let's see. I'm not so sure about a foot. Oh, come on. There's got to be some smaller ones in here. There's one. Okay, these are grapes. Here's a little heart. Probably should have done this part ahead of time. Oh, that's not a heart. Yeah, it is. And a little heart. We'll try for 3. And a little mouse. Try to put him towards the end. If this works out, I'll use this method to make one for my granddaughter. I'm sending her a book that I made. It's a journal. This way she could bookmark in her journal where she's at. And keep right on writing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get one of these jump rings. And we're going to put it through the hole. There's a little hole on the end of the piece right here. So we're going to put it through there. Yay, it fits. And then we're going to close it. Let's see if I can do it with my fingers. Sometimes I can. Depends on how big the jump ring is. How thick. May need to use the pliers for this. Oz is hearing a dog bump up and down the stairs, and he's getting a little worked up. Okay, now you want them to meet, not be next to each other like this one is. And I am ambidextrous, so there we go. So now they meet end to end. Now we're going to put one more on here. I'm going to have to get some more out. I'm going to put one more on there. Okay. Then I'm going to put the charm in one. Then we'll put that through. Now these are just going to be in a straight line. You're going to have to wait till I'm done with the video, buddy. I forgot, and it was time for his TREAT. So see, right now we've got this little grape hanging off of there. And you know, sometimes that might just be enough. Not enough for me. I want to try to do a few. So now I'm going to put another jump ring in where I put the grape through so that I can continue the chain down. Oh, I was going to use this chain and hang the ones off of there on this one, but I'm on a roll. No, I needed to have used that chain. And I'll tell you why. Because I need to be able to hang the jump rings off either side. So the chains are on either side. Darn it. I'm going to do something different with that one. Let's get out another one. But that's how you would do that. Then what I would do is I would take another jump ring here and add a couple. and then put another charm. You know, let's just go ahead and do that. What the heck, why not? Get out some more of these jump rings. You use more jump rings this way. And I wasn't thinking about what I was doing. When I did it, I was going to use the jump ring and then hang the chain from it, and then use the jump rings to hang charms on either side. So now I want to add a ring to here. Now that's the ring. Let me lay this out. Okay, the ring that the charm is on is the ring that we're going to hook this next one to. Okay. That was loud, wasn't it? And we're going to add one more to the one that doesn't have anything on it. I'm having more trouble putting them through the other jump rings than I am closing them. Okay, so now at this point we have the charm, and then we have two more jump rings off the side, and now I'm going to put a third jump ring with another charm on it. We'll use this little heart. So we'll put that through there. Then we're going to put it through that empty one that's hanging off to the side. Okay. And we're going to close that puppy up. And I'm just taking both ends and twisting them towards each other until they line up. Okay, so now we have this. It looks like a little charm bracelet. So then I'm going to put two more jump rings on. And then we'll put the third one on. Yeah, two was fine. I'm getting hungry too. Maybe I'll have a TREAT when the dog has one. Okay, this one needs to go a little bit closer together. A little bit more closed. There we go. And we need one more. And you don't have to make them the same distance apart. You can put gold and silver together. You can add beads. I would have preferred to add some beads on as well. Like I said, I don't have the correct piece. It didn't get here in time to, yeah, see, my hands are getting tired. There we go. I probably would only be able to make 2 of these a day. Good thing I wouldn't sell them or anything, huh? Okay, so we've got 2 more jump rings. Now we're going to take a jump ring and we're going to put our mouse on him because he's the biggest charm. And then our little our little chain bookmark will be done. I'll hold it up closer to the camera for you in just a second. This is kind of fun. Like I said, I've never done this before. I can see why people enjoy making dangles. Next thing you know, I'll be making tassels. I don't know why. I don't really have the, like all the sari silk and the bigger lace and stuff to make those. And get him put on there. Whoopsie. Like I said, hands getting tired. There we go. So now we have these little charms hanging off, whoa, hanging off of our bookmark. Can you see that? I'm going to hold it still so the camera can focus on it. So I think that turned out pretty cute. So we have our little grapes, we have a heart, and then we have our Mickey Mouse. Well, it's not a Mickey Mouse. Don't get after me, Disney. It's just a little mouse at the bottom. Okay, so that's a nice quick tutorial for you on how to make one of these. And like I said, you can use any combination of chain and jump rings off the side. And the head pins is what they're called, with the circle on them. They might be called open head pins or something. Head pins are the ones with the, they look like a regular pin with the flat head on it, and your bead sits on it, and then you twist it and it makes your own jump ring end on it, and that's how you attach that. See, I know how to do them. I've just never done them. I need to be more adventuresome, I think. So that's it for my third video in my in this BeeBeeCraft series. Now, if they ask me to do it again, then we'll start over with another unboxing video, and then we'll work on some projects with the items that I get, and hopefully they will. I enjoy ordering from them. They have some nice fun stuff, and I guess, like I said, I guess that's it, and I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.